The ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balms are one of my favorite cleansers. I have used the original, I've used the rose one, I just got sent the black cherry one. Never used this one before, so thought let's do it together for the first time. This is what it looks like. So it kind of looks just like the original one as far as colors go. The minute I took the lid off, this beautiful smell of cherries just filled my bathroom. It smells so good. Yum. Almost like a cherry vanilla smell. Now, how you use this, very, very simple. The texture is kind of thick, and depending on how hot out it is, it may be more melted. So you're just gonna apply it to your face. I usually go in like a circular motion, and then you can decide how long you leave it on. So if you have just a little bit of time, just leave it on for like a minute. If you have more time, you can leave it on like a mask, maybe 10 minutes, and then you can wipe it off with warm water, or you can wipe it off with a damp washcloth. That's all you do. It is that simple. And what it's doing is it is melting off all your impurities, all your old makeup, any dirt or pollution that has attached itself to your skin. And it really, really hydrates your skin while it's doing that. And of course, the collagen is helping boost your skin, plump it up, get rid of wrinkles, smooth them all out. So I just kind of am using my finger, getting a little bit on there. I'm not taking a ton. You can use this on your face, on your neck, just smoothing it all over. And then I will wait a little bit of time and take it off, and I'll show you the after. Okay, I am slathered up. I smell amazing. And now I'm just gonna wait maybe a minute or two and take it off. Ready to take it off. I have a warm towel here. And again, it is so easy to get this off. So I just am wiping it off. Comes right off. You don't have to rub hard. And it leaves your skin feeling so soft, so smooth, so refreshed. Okay, my skin feels squeaky clean, incredibly soft, hydrated. It feels amazing. I am such a fan of the Pro Collagen Balm. And now this black cherry one, my new favorite. It smells insane. I love this, and I know you're going to love it as well.